Here we have the two-stage upgrade kit for the algae fridges with the external filter. So basically it includes an inline sediment filter, which is then added before your algae original external filter. And it includes brackets to mount this filter and a little loop of pipe to connect it from the inline sediment filter to your algae filter. Where you would use this is unfortunately more and more areas, because a lot of the areas you're finding that they're working on the pipes quite often, and then you get a higher dirt load through, which frankly these filters aren't really designed for our water quality that we have here. And if you're finding that it doesn't get to a 6-month lifespan still tasting great, and you're getting sort of a dusty taste, or if you pour a bath and you're seeing visibly dirty water, probably a good idea to add this. Note, it won't affect the amount of absorption that this filter will have, and you still don't have any barrier for bacteria here. If you want to address bacteria as well, you can fit an inline ultrafiltration membrane in, as in the triple kit. The triple upgrade kit then gives you the sediment filter, the normal carbon filter, as well as a physical barrier for bacteria as well.